afternoon, Bicolanja. We welcome you to the semifinals for the men's volleyball. It's against the CBSUA Bucalos and the NCF Tigers. Of course, with me as Vic and Plata, and I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes to serve you actions here at NCF Covered Court.
Ayan, team, talagang kaabang-abang ang bakbakan between the Buffalo and the Tigers. Sino kayo dito ang makaka-advance sa susunod na stage dito sa Bucal Season 5? So, importante ang larong ito. For the both teams, talagang malalaman natin dito kung sino ang makakapasok sa ating final round. But before that, we would like to thank our very own sponsor. We have the Naga College Foundation, home of the champion. Will Print, quality printing, excellent service. Your printing partner since 1985. Congressman Gabi Bordado, Representative 3rd District of Camarines Sur. Ateneo de Naga University, one big fight. Liman Midshop, top quality guaranteed. Simply the best in Bicolanja, located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, and Universidad de Santa Isabel, where love is service.
We also would like to thank the ACLC Naga Senior High School is absolutely free. Flowers and Beyond, owned and managed by Miss Morse Alinante. When you fall short of words, flowers will say it all. Lamon Residences, Lamon Experience Home Living. Dunkin' Donuts, pasalubong ng bayan. Gold Buffer Real Estate, State Development and Construction Enterprises, and NCF Wings, because tigers can have wings.
Ayan, Tin. At syempre, live na live tayo ulit dito sa ating venue, the NCF Covered Court, and also live sa ating mga live stream media. We have the One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV para sa maaksyong hapon na mangyayari dito sa Volleyball Bucal Season 5.
Kaya Rick, kaabang-abang nga talaga itong ating men's volleyball dahil nga 4 na kupunan ng magagaling at talagang matirang matibay para sa ating finals ng men's volleyball ang makikita natin ngayong araw. And of course, nandiyan nga ang ating NCF Tigers and the CBSUA Bucalos. During the elimination round, talaga namang nagpakitang gilas itong ating dalawang kupunan na ito. And now, let's see what will be the adjustment of this both teams now that we are on the semifinals. Kaya naman, doble kayod itong dalawang kupunan natin na ito. For the side of the NCF Tigers, they are the defending champion. Pero kaya, ano kaya yung kanilang magiging plano for this round? At para makikita yung update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyle. Hi Kyle, update natin dyan.
Thank you, Rick and Teen. Good afternoon, Bicolanja, and to all our volleyball fans who are watching us live via One Media, TV 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV. We are now on the semi-final round of Bicol University's Colleges and Athletic League Men's and Women's Volleyball Division. I am Kayla Casulia, all the way from the home of the champion, the NCF Tigers. For their semi-final game today against the CBSUA Buffaloes, the NCF Tigers are ready for their game today. According to Assistant Coach Aljon, dinagdagan nila ang load ng kanilang training. Since CBSUA is a new team this season at di nila alam kung paano ito maglaro, mas nag-focus sila sa mga pwedeng mangyari inside the court. One of their adjustments also are the other 6 that will play this game. Wala man ng ibang key players, may tiwala naman sila sa kanilang ibang players na maglalaro for this afternoon. And the coaches continuously reminds them to apply the game plan, maintain the focus, attitude skills, and most importantly, the toughness. That's all for now. Back to you, Rick and Teen.
Thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. So yun nga, unang paghaharap nitong CBSUA Bucalos versus the NCF Tigers. So dinagdagan daw dito ang training na nangyari dito sa NCF Tigers because very unpredictable nga naman ang mga teams ngayon dito sa ating Bucal Season 5. Di natin alam, bilog ang bola kung sino ang makakakuha ng panalo ngayong hapon na ito. So very good point para sa coaching staff ng NCF Tigers. They are not being complacent here. Talagang pinagandaan nila dito ang Buffaloes because nakita naman natin on the previous matches ng Buffaloes na talagang they give their best. Talagang nakita kung saan sila magaling at saan nagkulang. At para makingi naman tayo sa other side, let's call our courtside reporter Rain. Hi Rain, anong update sa Buffaloes?
Good afternoon, Team Enric, and hello, Bicolandia. We are now at the match of the between the two teams who made it to the semifinals and is now a part of the final for this Bucal Season 5 Volleyball Men's Division. The CBSUA Buffaloes versus the NCF Tigers. According to their team captain, the key to their trainings is consistency and improvement in their blocking since the NCF is a fast team. So far with their teamwork, their expectation for this game is that they will be able to work, or should I say, play as one. With that, the CBSUA Buffaloes are now ready to show their impressive intellect and unbreakable team chemistry that will be their edge against the fierce NCF Tigers. This is Rain Reyes from the bench of the Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, reporting live here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampiyon, and on One Media TV 48 Naga. That's it for now. Back to you.
Thank you so much, Rain. Ayan nga itong ating CBSUA Buffaloes, they will focus more on their attacks as well. Dahil nga sabi dito, more on the defense itong ating NCF Tigers. So let's see what will be their adjustment. Ngayon makakalaban nila ang ating defending champion. Of course, baguhang team. Pero semifinals agad for this season of Bucal. So this would be an exciting ladder for them. Of course, andyan ang ating mga key players na talaga namang magbibigay ng sigla sa ating CBSUA Buffaloes. And now, Rick, gusto lang din natin pasalamatan ng ating live audience dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court kahit nga mainit. Ayan, andyan pa rin sila para sumuport. And of course, sa ating mga live audience sa ating Facebook Live sa Bucal at Oragon Sports TV. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagandabay.
Ayan, Tin, magsha-shoutout nga tayo sa ating mga live viewers na nakatutok ngayong hapon. Shoutout kay JM Acido, kay Kyle Bernales, Jo Marie Bagasina, Aljan Adayo. Thank you so much for an happy viewing.
Yan nga, Rick. Mamaya-maya, magsisimula na itong laban ng Buffaloes at Tigers. So, let's see ano kayang ipapakita dito. Dahil nga, as we all know, CBSUA kahit baguhan pa lang sila dito sa ating Bucal Season 5, napakaganda ng pinapakita nilang laro. Most especially na ngayon, NCF Tigers sa kanilang kalaban. Of course, they really sets up their gameplay this afternoon. So, let's see. An exciting game. At maya-maya po, mapapanood natin yan. Kaya sa mga supporters po ng CBSUA at NCF, abang-abang lamang po kayo dahil sa aming pagbabalik, magsisimula na ang bakbak ng NCF Tigers at CBSUA Buffaloes. Only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
It's the semifinals of Bucal Volleyball Season 5. Who is built to win? Men's Volleyball, the UNC Greyhounds, BU Wolves, CBSUA Buffaloes, and NCF Tigers. Women's Volleyball, the UNC Greyhounds, BU Wolves, the USI Falcons, and NCF Tigers. Catch all the actions of Bucal Volleyball Season 5 Semifinals powered by Converge. Dito lang sa una at nag-iisang sports channel sa Bicolandia, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
for the start of the semi-final match of the NCF Tigers and the CBSUA Buffaloes. And now, first set between these two teams. Now jersey number 3, Rico, to serve on the side of the Buffaloes. Now 1-2 play coming from Australia. Bucal sets up for Raimundo for a soft touch. First point will go on the side of the NCF Tigers.
What a smart move coming from Raimundo on that last play. Nakita niyang walang taong nakabantay on that donut hole sa side ng CBSUA Buffalo. So first point will be go on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now Rico setting up their team captain at makakabawi dito ang Buffalo.
Now, this is a good matchup between these two teams. We're tied on 1. Let's see. Australia sets up for Otero. It reflexes on the side of the Buffaloes. Now, Bucal to try. Pero hindi na nga nagawa ng paraan niya ng Buffaloes. Now we're just starting. This will be a good fight between these two teams. Bucal to serve on the side of the Tigers. That's a service error. Bonus point for the side of the Buffaloes. Jersey number 10. Australia sets it up for Otero. Pupunta dito sa kabila. Ball still alive here. Bucal will try. Good save by Rico. Now, long rally here. Pamplona with a powerful attack. Nahanapan ng butas dyan.
What an attack coming from Pamplona. Nag-iwan ng exclamation point on the side of the Buffaloes. Now, Otero on the deck to serve para dito sa Tigers. Rico setting up his teammate. And Velasco will get a score coming from that off-the-block hit. So an exchange of points here sa ating set number 1.
Yes.
Ang gandang simula between these two teams. Talagang kaabang-abang ang magiging performance ng dalawang kupunan na ito.
Now we are tied on 3. Velasco serving. Pamplona one more time. And he delivers that. Now both teams, malakas yung palo. And they really focus on the floor defense. Now let's see. As Raimundo will serve the ball on the side of the Tigers. But an error on the side of the Buffaloes. So a bonus point for the NCF side.
Now Rico, pababawiin dito ang Buffalo. Chance for Velasco to score, andun si Nero. Now Estrella to Pamplona. And too much angle on that last play coming from Pamplona. So the point will go on the side of the CBSUA Buffalo. Nice coverage coming from De La Peña. Hiliran gagawa ng paraan. Now Estrella 1-2 play and Estrella successfully done on that 1-2 play action para dito sa NCF Tigers.
Now 2-point lead coming from the NCF Tigers side. Pamplona.
So a net violation was committed by Llamas, so the point will automatically go on the side of the NCF Tigers.
Grabe, nagsisimula pa lang tayo pero grabe na agad yung bakbakan ng dalawang kupunan na ito. And on that last sequence, still inside. Service ace coming from Pamplona. Now, apat na agad ang kalamangan dito ng ating NCF Tigers. Now, Pamplona to serve again.
Ball is still alive. Now, Tigers go to Barredo, and Barredo will get a score.
No, lagi nakahanapan ng butos dito sa side ng CBSUA. But still, good defense on their side. Now, Pamplona again. Almost an ace. Llamas with that attack. Now, Bucal. Good coverage for the side of Buffalo sa Liran. And that violation for the Tigers. So a point on the side of the Buffaloes. Now Llamas to serve.
Grabe, libreng-libre sa atake si Barredo on that last sequence. No blockers on the side of the CBSUA.
Now at this point, they really need to focus on the floor defense for the side of the Buffaloes dahil nga umaarangkada dito ang NCF Tigers. Now Barredo with that powerful serve. And an ace for them. Anim na agad ang kalamangan dito. Barredo again.
Great chase coming from the NCF Tigers. Now Buffaloes, 1-2 play para kay Rico. And Rico will get a score coming from that last sequence.
Shoutout muna tayo dito sa ating live audience. Shoutout kay John Robin Sanida, kay Ivo Solano, at kay Rona Gail Refama. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkatabay. Now, Australia sets up for Otero, soft touch. Rico.
Great dig coming from the libero of the CBSUA. Now, chance for the Tiger to score, pero denied at the net para dito sa CBSUA Buffaloes. What a great net defense coming from that last play. No entry para doon kay Raimundo.
Pakaganda ng block na yun. CBSUA Buffaloes. Go.
What a great chase coming from Petrache. Now, Otero hindi papayag na hindi makapuntos on the side of the Tigers. But we would like to commend the effort on the libero side dito sa CBSUA Buffaloes for getting that ball. Amazing player. Now, Estrella will now serving on the side of the Tigers. And it touches the line. The point will go on the side of the NCF Tigers at mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang CBSUA Buffaloes because the NCF Tigers is slowly pulling away para dito sa set number 1 na ito.
Yan nga, Rick, napakaganda ng ating first half para dito sa ating set number 1. from the floor defense of the NCF, from their attacks. Grabe. But on the other side, let's commend the CBSUA Buffaloes for giving us a good fight. Yan, napakaganda na agad na pinapakita nilang performance dito, and they just need to be consistent. Now let's see as the semi-final round continues. Now we're back on the ball game. Australia serving. Now, Bucal. Nakahanap agad ng butas after that timeout. And they are still on the lead. 14-7, a 7-point lead coming from the side of the Tigers against Australia. Velasco get that point. Now let's see. As Hiliran will serve the ball for the Buffaloes. Performance from the defense as the offense. Now again, Hiliran will serve the ball on the side of the Buffaloes. Another point coming from Pamplona.
Another great serve for Bucal. Now free ball on the side of the Tigers. What a great hustle. Now Velasco back on the CBSUA. Rico setting up his teammate and denied at the net. Amazing net defense ang pinapakita dito ng NCF Tigers. So we have a substitution here on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. They need to strengthen their defense here and offense para maitabla dito ang ating set number 1. Now Bucal again on the deck to serve. Service ace para dito kay Bucal.
Bucal again on the line to serve. NCF still on the lead. Orante.
Pamplona with that push. Ball is still alive. Velasco will try. Andon si Estrella. Now Bucal on the pipe attack. And Bucal will score. So everything goes well on the side of the NCF Tigers. And all players are contributing well dito sa ating NCF Tigers. Kitang-kita natin dito ang effort. Team effort on the side of Tigers. Meanwhile, sa side ng CBSUA Buffaloes, medyo nagiging stiff dito ang kanilang depensa. And right on cue, another service ace was committed by Tristan Bucal and another timeout was called on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. So they need to make an impact here sa ating set number 1. No room for errors. Kailangan nila ditong pagganahan ng kanilang ginawa sa kanilang training na pinalakas nila dito ang kanilang opensa at depensa at talagang pinaghandaan ang pagtatapat nila kontra sa ating defending champion. So, titingnan natin dito, coming from that last timeout, kung ano ba ang magiging adjustment nila sa loob ng court.
Well, let's see. Medyo nakahanapan lagi dito. Nakutas ang CBSUA CBSUA Buffaloes after this timeout. What will be that adjustment on their side? Now on the line, Bucal. Velasco to attack. It's saved by Nero. And that's outside. Too much power. That attack coming from Bucal. Now let's see. Another substitution. Sumayaw. Go inside for the side of Buffaloes in exchange of Yamas. Now Bore to serve. Raimundo. That quick attack of the NCF Tigers. 6 na lamang dito to get the set number 1 for this semi-final round. Now Otero to serve. Now, Velasco, CBSUA, kailangan na dito umaksyon. Now, Raimundo again. Pero 4 touches. Point will go on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. Well, let's see. Just points come the NCF Tigers. Okay, dito ng Buffaloes. Now, Velasco. An error, very crucial one dahil sila yung nagkahabol dito sa set number 1. Now, chance for the NCF Tigers para dire-diretsuhin to. Now, Raimundo on the line to serve. Velasco, good take. 1-2 play. An error coming from Estrella. Nagkakaroon na nga. Another error was committed on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes at this point of time. Hindi na dapat nila magawa yung mga errors. Palitan lang ng error dito sa dalawang kumpunan na ito. Raimundo. Barreto with that quick attack. Finishing with just points on the side of the NCF. CBSUA Buffaloes dito naghahabol pa rin, but still a lot of errors was committed on their side. Barredo serve. Now Bucal to attack, and that's good, making them a set point. One more point and they will land the set number 1 of the semi-final round against the CBSUA Buffalo. Again, Barredo. Rico on error, and the point will go on the side of the NCF Tigers, ending it 25-13. More actions sa ating set number 2 when we come back here at Oragon Sports TV, hindi ka ng mga kampiyon. And we are back for our set number 2 of the matchup for our semi-final round. It's the CBSUA Bucalos and the NCF Tigers. So nga sa ating set number 1, pinakitaan tayo ng malalakas na atake at magandang depensa ng NCF Tigers, ending at 25-13, while on the other side, the CBSUA Bucalos. Daming errors na nakulat dito, so let's see what will be their adjustment para sa pagsimula ng ating set number 2. Ngayon, as we're going to start our set number 2 of the matchup of the CBSUA and the NCF Tigers. Now the CBSUA needs to lessen their error at this point if they really want to have a good fight against the NCF Tigers. Now, Estrella for the first service. Ball. Pero outside na yan para dito kay Iran at para makikita tayo ng ring all the way from the side of the CBSUA Bucalos. Tawagan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ray. Hi Ray, na update natin dyan.
Hello, Tin and Rick. The players came in confident and displayed amazing performance with their attacks and blockings. During huddle, the Bucalos were told to double time in their movements inside the hard court, show unpredictable transitions and focus on the ball. According to their coach, the first ball and how you read lines are important, for it is causing them to lose a point. Errors are of course unavoidable, but they have to make up at bumawi. Given the reminders, the opponents of the Bucalos still managed to win the first set. But of course, this is not yet the end. Bago nga magsimula ang second set, coach reminded them to relax and focus. Kaya naman patuloy natin silang subaybayan only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Yan muna ang update on the side of the Bucalos. Balik sa inyo.
Ayan, thank you so much, Shane, for that update. So yun nga, CBSUA Bucalos needs to lessen their error here sa ating set number 2 kasi ang daming na-produce nila doon sa naganap na set number 1 and bawasan nga ang error and have a strong communication inside the court para dito CBSUA Bucalos na alam kong babawi dito sa ating second set na ito. Now, to hear an update on the other side of things, let's call our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi, Kyla, anong balita sa home of the champions?
Thank you, Rick and Tino. We are now on the second set of this match app. And for this set, we witness how the Tigers are eager to win this game and advance to the final round. During the huddle, they are reminded by Coach Ian with the adjustments they need for this set, such as blockings, communication, and the other errors that they had committed during the first set. They are still reminded to not be complacent and do everything they can do to win this game. For the last reminder of Coach Ian, he reminds the team na maging matalino at gamitin ang tamang mindset sa loob ng court. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Ayan nga, don't be complacent on the side of the NCF Tigers. And of course, tamang mindset sa paglalaro against the CBSUA Bucalos. We can see that it is evidently showing dito sa ating set number 2 with 6 serving 1. A 5-point lead coming from the side of the NCF Tigers and still dominating this set. So let's see what will be the adjustment of the CBSUA Bucalos here para makahabol sa puntos ng NCF Tigers. Nakapukaw, napakagandang serve. Pero another point for the side of the CBSUA Bucalos coming from the attack of De La Peña.
So a lucky break on the side of the CBSUA Bucalos. This is the time na kailangan nilang bumawi to snatch the set number 2. Apuka with that receive. Now Estrella sa ating Pamplona. And Pamplona will get a score coming from that off the block hit. Again, Pamplona making sure na every set sa kanya talaga mako-convert na sa point. Grabe, amazing player of this NCF Tigers.
Now the NCF still dominating our second set with 5-point lead na Otero. Hindi na nagawa ng paraan yan ng Bucalos. Now Otero again to serve for the side of the NCF Tigers. De La Peña. Block! Pero hindi nagwagi ang NCF dito. Now let's see. This is the chance for the CBSUA Buffaloes to still continue showing their persistence here for the semi-final round. Now Velasco. Raimundo, combination play here. Napakaganda ng momentum ngayon ng NCF Tigers. Now, Raimundo to serve. De La Peña again. Pero not violation on the side of the Tigers, so a bonus point for the Buffaloes. Ngayon, 5 puntos na lamang kailangang habulin ng CBSUA Buffaloes. De La Peña to serve. With a soft touch. Naipasok na naman ang puntos dito ang Buffaloes. No, Pamplona. Eltira. By Barredo and Estrella. Ito yung sinabi dito dun sa ating simula ng laban na monster blockers nga itong ating NCF Tigers na talagang pinaghandaan ng CBSUA. So now let's see. Now an error was occurred on the side of the Tigers. Substitution. Now Bore to serve for the Buffaloes.
Offense and defense talagang nadodomina ng NCF Tigers dito sa set number 2 na ito. Again, CBSUA Buffaloes needs to double their effort here to chase the lead. Nahawak ngayon ng NCF Tigers. Again, first ball problems on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. And as you can notice, talagang kinakargahan dito ng NCF Tigers ang kanilang mga service para hindi makagawa ng magandang play ang kupanan ng CBSUA Buffaloes. Another great serve coming from Barredo. Pero agawan para doon sa regalong yon on the side of the NCF Tigers. Otero and Bucal committing an error coming from that last play. Now, Rico on the deck to serve para dito sa Buffaloes. Estrella choosing Otero. Napaganda pa nga ang atake yon para dito kay Otero. Kahit mga broken play na talagang nagagawan dito ng paraan ng NCF Tiger. That's why hawak nila ngayon ang lead sa set na ito. Now, Estrella serving the ball. Combination play, bantay sarado dito ng NCF Tigers.
Medyo nahihirapan na dito ang ating CBSUA Buffaloes to convert a point with that powerful block coming from the NCF Tigers. Now, Velasco denied, but now, ball still alive.
Another point para dito sa NCF Tigers. Again, hindi dito nababasa ng CBSUA Buffaloes ang atakeng ginagawa ng NCF Tigers. Now, chance for the Buffaloes to score. But Bucal securing that ball. Securing a point para dito sa NCF Tigers. Now, Arcangel is now on court. Substitution para dito kay Raimundo. So, 2 middle blocker ang nasa loob ng NCF Tigers. Ano kayang gagawin nila ditong technique? Another great rejection at the net. Pababawiin ba dito si Velasco? Papatawag nga ng timeout dito ang Bucalos because sunod-sunod na dito ang pag-arangkada ng NCF Tigers.
Yan nga, Rick. Doon nga sa ating set number 2. Dami ng errors. Ang napukomit ng ating CBSUA Buffaloes. Medyo napag-iiwanan sila dito. Now, let's see what will be their adjustment after this timeout. Para baguhin yung kanilang gameplay dito dahil a lot of errors. Butas. Yun yung nagiging problema nila at this point because the NCF Tigers, again, konti na lang on getting this set number 2. See, as we continue this set number 2 matchup of CBSUA and NCF Tigers.
Ayan. Estrella on the deck to serve para sa Tigers. So, nakabawi doon sa last sequence na yun ang CBSUA Bucalos. Great timeout para sa kanilang kupunan. Hiliran on the deck to serve para dito sa Buffaloes. Estrella setting up Arcangel. Great defense para dito sa Tigers. What a great block coming from Capuco and Otero. Grabe, talagang hindi dito pinapalasot ang opensang ginagawa ng CBSUA Bucalos. And Arcangel will be playing as an attacker dito para sa NCF Tigers.
Now, on the line to serve.
Spiker. Now, Capuca with that strong serve. So, lifting violation was called on the setter of the CBSUA.
Now, 5 puntos na lamang para dito sa NCF Tigers to get this set number 5. Bucal. Australia sets up for Arcangel. Ball still alive here. One more time. Pero net violation. So able to score for the side of the CBSUA Bucalos. Now, Castañares. Serving.
Now, chance for the Buffaloes here to score. Great anticipation at the net. Arcangel will try. And doon si Hiliran. Hiliran on that pipe attack. Nero was there. Miscommunication. Pero Otero nagawa ng paraan dito. Another great defense. Now, Arcangel. Boy pang bola. And Velasco ending that long rally coming from that off-the-block hit.
Pero mahaba-haba pa yung pagtatrabahuin dito ng ating CBSUA Buffaloes. 9 serving 20. Now, Pamplona. Pero the point will go on the side of the Buffaloes. 4 touches. Now a 10-point lead. Let's see as Castañares again on the serving line. Magona, soft touch.
Now Arcangel will try. And it was an error para dito kay Arcangel. So paunti-unti hinahanap dito ng CBSUA ang kanilang rhythm to continue playing para makuha ang set na ito. Now, Castañares again on the deck to serve. But Pamplona, hindi na dito hayaang hindi makapuntos ang kanilang kupunan coming from that cross-court hit. And we would like to commend the effort of Nero on that last sequence. Talagang ayaw niyang palapagin dito ang bola.
Otero serving. De La Peña, he's strong for that one. That point will go on the side of the NCF Tigers. Otero again. Ball still alive here. Estrella sets it up for Barreto with a quick attack. Making it just 2 points para dito sa ating NCF Tigers and getting that set number 2. Now Otero again. Still on the service deck. Otero. Single block coming from Barreto. Now set point again for the side of the NCF Tigers. One more point and we will get the set number 2. Will this be the end? Now let's see. Again, attack. But the point will go on the side of the Buffaloes. That violation para dito kay Barreto. Now let's see. Velasco serving.
Great defense now. The rally continues. There's no whistle coming from the referee here. And Arcangel ending that set number 2 with that attack. So 2 straight set para dito sa Tigers. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating 3rd set. Only here at Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon.
semi-final round of the NCF Tigers and the CBSUA Buffaloes. Now let's see for the side of the Buffaloes kung ano nga ba yung gagawin nila dito to snatch a set here against the NCF Tigers, or will the NCF still dominate the set and end this and go to the final round of this men's volleyball? Now CBSUA, Ardenya, bagong pasok, too strong for that one, so a bonus point for the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. Now Raimundo, Torrente, ready the point to go on the side of the NCF Tigers. Second six para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. Now Estrella. Hiran to attack, pero again, a not violation. Kanina pa yan dito. Second time for the CBSUA Buffaloes. Less than that. Now let's see sa side ng ating NCF Tigers kung ano nga ba yung magiging plano nila dito sa ating set number 3. At para makakita tayo ng update, tawagan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla. Hi Kyla, update natin dyan.
Rick and Tino, we are now on the third set of this matchup, and the momentum continues on the side of the NCF Tigers. We've witnessed the confidence that they have and of course the fighting spirit na nangingibabaw sa kanila today. Of course, the team chemistry is also there, kaya naman malaki ang kanilang naging kalamangan for the second set. Coach Ian continues to remind the team to be consistent on what they are showing with us today. Kitang-kita natin na gustong-gusto talaga nilang manalo for this set. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
And thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. So yun, kailangan pa ditong paigtingin ang team chemistry on the side of the Tigers. Kasi isang set pa dito ang kailangan nila para may panalo ang larong ito. Now, we have a long rally here. But Solomon ended that with a strong hit.
Now another point will go on the side of the NCF Tigers. At ngayon nga, 4-2. Kaya titignan natin kung ano nga ba yung naging adjustment dito ng ating CBSUA Buffaloes. At para makikita yung update, tawagan natin si Rain. Hi Rain, update natin dyan.
Thank you, Tina and Rick. It has been an exhausting set for the Buffaloes, and they are truly showing that they are eager to win at bawiin ang previous set. They were told to receive the first ball and execute a proper play, a play in which the Tigers will find difficult to defend. But of course, they are against a powerful team today, and the struggles in their team plays and attacks are found. The second set has ended still in favor of the Tigers. Despite with the current standing, the energy and the effort of the Buffaloes starting from the very beginning of the set has not lessened. Instead, they are working to improve and do more on the hard court. With this, continue supporting them only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampiyon. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
And thank you so much, Rain, for that update. So yun nga, NCF Tigers is a really hard team to compete dito sa ligang to, kaya kailangan nila dito paigtingin ang kanilang offense and defense if they want to prolong this match. Now, ano kaya ang magiging adjustment dito? Bigera setting up De La Peña. De La Peña will successfully get a score on that hit. Now Velasco on the deck to serve para dito sa Buffaloes. Estrella setting up Arcangel in the middle, and Arcangel will score.
Now that's a 3-point lead coming from the NCF Tigers. A good start for set number 3 for them. Now let's see. As Raimundo to serve on their side. Solomon. Point para sa NCF Tigers. Raimundo again on the service line. Arcangel sets up for Estrella. Pero yung ating setter ngayon, ito yung pumalo para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. That would be a point on their side. Now Llamas will be back on the side of the Buffaloes. Now let's see, Raimundo again.
Now Llamas getting a score coming from that quick hit. So yun ang kailangan dito ng CBSUA Buffaloes para makuha nila ang set na ito. Now De La Peña on the deck to serve. Estrella setting up Raimundo at the back. Ball is still alive. Now Hiliran will shy and Duncinero. Estrella setting up Katubig. And Katubig will score coming from that pipe attack.
Grabe yung mga atake ng NCF Tigers. Lumulusot sa blockers ng CBSUA Buffaloes. Now let's see. Solomon. Now Rico sets it up to Hiliran again. And bumawi na magandagad dito si Hiliran. And converted a point. 10 serving 6. Just a 4-point lead on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now Llamas. Big with that powerful attack. Now Arcangel still on the lead, the NCF Tigers. Miran. Soft touch by Ardenia. Castañares. Now long rally here. And that point will go on the side of the NCF Tigers. Matawag nga ng timeout ang ating CBSUA Buffaloes. Because at this moment, lamang muli ang ating NCF Tigers. 12 serving 6-point lead. Now let's see. Doon nga sa ating pasimula ng ating set number 3. Napakaganda na agad for the side of the NCF Tigers. But for the side of the Buffaloes, still, they need to double their effort if they really wanted to prolong this match against the defending champion NCF Tigers. But let's see after this timeout, what will be the adjustment and new set of game plays for their side. On the service line. And that's inside, service ace. Adding to the point of the NCF. Now let's see. As Arcangel again on the service line.
Another miscommunication sa players dito ng Buffaloes na hindi dito nakakatulong upang madagdagan ang kanilang score. Rather, they are giving free point on their opponent. Now, Arcangel consistently serving on the side of the NCF Tigers. But this time, straight to the net. So the point will go automatically on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes.
Now Rico for the Buffaloes to serve. Now Australia sets it up. Solomon. that point. 15-7 now. The NCF is halfway through our set number 3. Australia. Now Rico sets it up for Heliran, and that will be a point. Now let's see. The CBSUA needs to double their effort now. Heliran on the service deck. Sayang yun, napakaganda sana kami from Morate, pero not much para sa kanya. Ayun naman, ito kay Solomon, pasok na pasok. Block. Still, the NCF on the lead. Castañares to serve.
What a great hit coming from Ardenia. Nakabawi. Coming from that last air defense sa kanilang kupunan. Now, Ardenia himself on the deck to serve. So free ball on the side of the Tigers. Combination play. Rico setting up Velasco, and Velasco will score. Coming from the last attack.
Now an 8-point lead coming from the NCF Tigers. 18 serving 10 now. Velasco. Pero that point will go on the side of the CBSUA Bucalos. Ito, kailangan habulin dito ng Bucalos. They really want to get the set. Again, Velasco on the service line. Rico sets it up. And point will still go on their side. Lumahabol lang. Anim na lamang na ibaba na sa nakalamangan ng NCF Tigers. Now, they need to be consistent at this moment. Velasco. Bonus point for the side of the NCF. Now Raimundo. Rico sets it up para dito Calyamas again. 1-2 play! Successful para dito kay Australia. 20 serving 12. Now Raimundo again to serve. Yamas. Too much power in that one. Sunod-sunod na lang. Plus dito ng NCF Tigers. Apat na lamang before they get this set and win the semi-final match against the CBSUA Bucalos. Free ball ibibigay dito. Now Australia sets it up for Katubig. Pero medyo malakas. Para sa kanya. more points for the NCF Tigers, pero humahabol itong ating CBSUA Buffaloes. Orante. And the point will go on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. Kailangan na lang ituloy-tuloy ang pagkuha ng puntos against the NCF Tigers. Orante again. Australia to Solomon. Still inside. With that, 3 points away. NCF Tigers will win this match against the CBSUA. Now Solomon. And that's a service ace coming from Solomon. Now, only 2 points away. Getting this win. Tatapusin muli ng NCF ba ito? But with that last error coming from Solomon, another point was added for the Buffaloes. Now Llamas. And with that match point ng NCF Tigers, match point. Arcangel. Now Velasco. Ooh, very crucial error. That's it. Nakuha na nga ng NCF Tigers ang panalo sa aming semi-final round. Again, congratulations to CBSUA Buffaloes for giving us the good time. Sa ating pagpapalik, ang pinalo natin ang ating best player of the game. Only here at the Rocket Sports TV.
Introducing Converge FlexiBiz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge FlexiBiz. Contact us to know more.
Get ready to witness the thrill of the competition and the passion of the game. I am Kimberly Elenes, and this is Sportify.
It's the semifinals of Bucal Volleyball Season 5. Who is built to win? Men's Volleyball, the UNC Greyhounds, BU Wolves, CBSUA Buffaloes, and NCF Tigers. Women's Volleyball, the UNC Greyhounds, BU Wolves, the USI Falcons, and NCF Tigers. Catch all the action sa Bucal Volleyball Season 5 Semifinals powered by Converge. Dito lang sa una at nag-iisang sports channel sa Bicolandia, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Our best player of the game is brought to you by Naga College Foundation, the home of the champion, leap into the future. At Dugong Tigre nga ang nangibabaw for this game, and they are bound to the final round. Our best player of the game is jersey number 5 with 24 excellent set, 2 service aces, 5 points, and 3 attacks. He is none other than Paul Estrella. Hello Paul, how does it feel na papunta na kayo sa final round at muli kayong magbabalik para depensa ng inyong kampyonato?
Ano po, masaya po syempre at nagawa namin yung mga tinatraining namin araw-araw and si coach namin ay yan lang po.
At dahil nakita ko kung gaano mo ginalingan, matanong ko lang, ano ba yung personal mindset mo sa loob ng court kanina na alam mong nakatulong sa'yo all throughout the game?
Una po yung mga tinura po ni Coach Ian and pangalawa po yung lakas ng loob po sa sarili. Yun lang po.
At ano naman yung reminders mo every time na maglalaro ka para makatulong sa'yo?
Yung family ko po, iniisip ko po and syempre po yung jowa ko po, si Paula, para po sa kanila tong lahat.
At dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batin mo lang mga gusto mong batiin.
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord and thank you po sa mga sumusuporta sa amin. And pangalawa po yung family ko, dyan po sa Antipolo, Minalabak. At yung mama ko po nasa Abu Dhabi. Shoutout mama, I love you, para sa'yo to. And pangatlo po, yung ka-team ko po. And last ko po, yung jowa ko po ulit, si Aubrey Paula. Thank you po.
Thank you so much and congratulations. There you have it from the Naga College Foundation Tigers, Paul Estrella. This has been your courtside reporter, Kayla Casulio. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Rick.
And there you have it. That's our best player of the game, none other than Paul Estrella. Grabe, 24 excellent sets, 2 service aces, 5 points coming from that, 3 attacks. So kudos sa ating defending champion at may chance ulit silang madepensa ng kanilang titulo dito sa Bucal Season 5 Men's and Women's Volleyball.
Kaya naman, napakaganda rin ng performance na pinakita nila dito against the CBSUA Buffaloes. At next week, po ang finals na ng ating men's volleyball. Pero bago ang lahat, hihintayin muna natin kung sino nga ba ang makakalaban ng NCF Tigers para sa magandang bakbakan ng ating finals sa men's volleyball. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV. Kasama niyo po rin po kami. I am Cristina Ganzo Reyes.
And I am Rick Puerta, and tutukan natin ang nag-aaksyong volleyball game tomorrow dito sa ating venue, the NCF Covered Court. And syempre, abangan tayo lagi sa ating mga live stream media. We have the One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.